Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can watch Netflix together. So it is very memorable to watch Netflix together with your family or friends. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to find an extension on Google Chrome extensions. Here is the extension. You just have to click on Add to Chrome and click on Add extension. After tapping on Add extension, now you can see here it is downloading. It takes some time. Now your extension is now installed. Now you just have to finish some steps. So just click on next, and here you have to accept the request. Now click on allow and click on the platform where you want to watch together. Now I am selecting Netflix and click on continue. After tapping on it, now that's fine. Now your extension is fine. Now your extension is working fine. So click on extension and tap on pin button. That's it. Just tap on this. Here, it will redirect you to Netflix. Now you have to select the episode you want to watch together. I'm clicking on this. After tapping on this, you just have to click on extension. Now just click on continue as guest. Now you have to click on start the party. It will provide you a link. Yeah, here it is. You just have to copy the link and send it to your friends or family which you want to see together. You just have to send this link to your friend or family whom you want to see together. After sending them, when they will tap on this link, they will redirect to this season. And in this way, you can watch together. You can also do chats and do fun together. I hope this tutorial finds you well. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.